All right, today we're going to be changing the battery on this 2016 Ford Fusion with the 2.5 liter. It takes a group size 90/T5 battery. Right here, as you can see, you've got some pretty bad corrosion. Super simple change here. Got a 8mm hold down bolt and two 10mm post terminal bolts. So we're gonna pull this all out. I'm gonna clean up that corrosion and we'll slap it back together with a new battery. Be back. All right, here's this corrosion. I got the battery out. So I actually ended up taking the lead, the negative lead that attaches to this bolt loose out of the vehicle, just so I could get this off, because this nut here is corroded away. It should be a 10mm, it won't even fit on there. So but I took it off here and I'm going to clean this up. Once I get this off, probably just gonna have to use some channel locks or something on there to get that loose. Try it real quick. All right, well, that loosened up. We'll see if it can get enough tension off this to get it cleaned up. Otherwise, we'll be putting a new terminal on it. All right, so new battery's in, minus the corrosion. Is super easy. 3 bolts, so 10mm on there, 10mm right there, and 8mm right there for the hold down. So it should only take you about 5 minutes if you don't have all that corrosion. So all right, thanks for watching, guys.